Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the whiteboard and creating a new board named for your session. Combine essential prerequisites. Choose canvas size and enable the grid so alignment is easy. Next, pick a pen color and thickness, plus the eraser and a shape tool. Once done, place a quick title and a reference box to anchor content. This keeps structure as you add ideas. Make sure to save or enable autosave before you proceed to complex work. You now construct the main content. Add frames or pages to break the work into steps and use layers for background versus foreground elements. Insert shapes, text boxes, and images. Align using the grid and snap features to maintain consistency. Once items are placed, group related elements and lock finished layers to avoid accidental changes. As you work, zoom in for detail and out for layout checks. This helps you balance readability. You finish by reviewing the board in presentation order and exporting the result as a PDF, PNG, or shareable URL depending on needs. Then set sharing permissions and enable comment mode so collaborators can add feedback without altering content. If something goes wrong, elements missing, or collaborators not seeing updates, first refresh the board and check connection, then confirm autosave is on and the right layer isn't hidden. These steps fix most sync or visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.